This scholar is talking that one should not blame others, otherwise it will be his own loss, and narrating the incident on it. It is said that the servants of a king picked up a child thrown on the street. The king ordered that he be added to my family. The child was named Ahmed Yatim. When he was young, he showed signs of intelligence, wisdom, and nobility. The king provided for his culture and education, extended his intimacy, and placed him at the forefront of all palace affairs. One day, the king ordered Ahmed Yatim to bring something from the room. As he entered the room, he saw a maid who was very close to the king in a questioning manner with a palace servant. The maid requested that Ahmed not reveal the news and invited him to sin. Ahmed said, "God bless. I cannot commit treason because of the countless favors bestowed upon me by the king." Then he left it there and went back. The maid was afraid in her heart and worried lest she should reveal the secret. So she appeared in front of the king crying and shedding tears and said, "Ahmed Yatim has seduced her and wants to rape her by force." He said to the chief of his servants, "As soon as I send someone to you, you should kill him," and called Ahmed Yatim and said, "Go meet so-and-so and bring so-and-so." Ahmed got ready and left. He is on his way. When he got some servants, he made Ahmed an arbitrator in a disputed matter. Ahmed made 1,000 excuses for the necessary work, but he said, "We will send such and such a servant who will bring the required item. You only decide for us." Finally, Ahmed had to agree with them. He went to Kadim Rais and told him the purpose of his visit. The Sardar killed him by royal orders and took his head to Bashada. When the king saw and removed the cloth from his face, it was someone else's head. The king immediately called Ahmed Yatim and inquired about the slain servant. So Ahmed told the whole story. After hearing the whole story, the king said to him, "Do you remember any sin of this servant?" Ahmed said, "Yes, he committed adultery with such and such a concubine. Both of them had given me the intercession of Allah to hide their evil." When the king, hearing this, he calmed down and ordered the slave girl to be killed. His trust and confidence in Ahmed grew even more. If you like the video, please subscribe to the channel and like the video.